What's up, guys? This is a split R&B beat that we made. Just have a listen. At the end, tell me what you think. That's basically the beat. I want to take you through the whole process of making this whole beat. The first part, which is now our intro, did some automizing or automation just to give it I feel like it's off pitch, but it's not really off pitch, but that's the feel. So just have a listen to the intro. That's the riser in between. So now we just slow down the tempo for maybe the first two bars of the intro. We slow down the tempo to give it that gradual rise into now our main tempo. Now introducing our verse now, since we already done the intro with automation here, and then we had the snap that came through later with a verb. Now just to get the sense of the rhythm fully, we introduced the bass line, just like a specific side of the bass line, just to give it the sense of rhythm to approach. It's like we are working it as a bridge towards the verse. So basically this is what it sounds like. So after the whole, now let me just start from where we are introducing the snap. And now in the next like 3 to 4 counts, now that's where we get now the bass line, just to introduce our verse. One, two, three, and then now I have the bass. So now, as we're approaching the end of this particular part, we reduced some elements. The snap, the hi-hats, basically all drums. We were just left with the kick and the bass line, just to introduce the third part of the verse to the fourth into the chorus. And now we introduce back the whole beat. These are all created drums. We did not sample anything. These are all created drums from the word go. So as we're approaching the outro, we didn't want, basically it's not really complete, but we did not want to just overdo the outro. So just to get an idea of the outro, we just got several elements from the main riff of or rather the main groove and everything about the song. And then now we just secluded every part and just remain with a few elements, which is now. I am crafting my future with ADMI. What about you?